What is Archimedes' principle? Definition: Archimedes' principle states that any object, completely or partially submerged in a fluid, a liquid or a gas, experiences an upward force equal to the weight of the fluid it displaces. This upward force is called buoyant force. How it works, the explanation. When you place an object in a fluid, like a block of wood in a bucket of water, it has to push some of that water out of the way to make room for itself. This is called displacement. Two main forces are at play here. Asterisk gravity, weight pulls the object downward. Asterisk buoyancy, pushes the object upward. The strength of this push is exactly equal to the weight of the water that was pushed out of the way. Whether an object floats or sinks depends on this balance. Asterisk floating, if the object displaces an amount of fluid that weighs more than or equal to the object itself, the upward buoyant force wins, or balances, and the object floats. E.g., a cruise ship displaces a massive amount of water, creating a huge upward force. Asterisk sinking, if the object weighs more than the fluid it displaces, gravity wins, and the object sinks. E.g., a small rock doesn't displace much water, so the upward force is too weak to hold it up. The mathematical formula. The principle can be calculated using this formula. F_B equals ρ times V times G. Asterisk F_B equals buoyant force, the upward push. Asterisk \rho equals density of the fluid, how tightly packed the fluid's molecules are. Asterisk V equals volume of the displaced fluid, how much fluid was pushed out of the way. Asterisk G equals acceleration due to gravity, the downward pull. Would you like to hear the famous story of how Archimedes supposedly discovered this principle while trying to figure out if a king's crown was made of real gold? F_B equals buoyant force, the upward push. \rho equals density of the fluid, how tightly packed the fluid's molecules are. V equals volume of the displaced fluid, how much fluid was pushed out of the way. G equals acceleration due to gravity,